Today we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First we need a tub and a lid. Next, let's find the sticker chart with the letter G. There it is. G, uppercase G and a lowercase g. Next, let's find the sticker for the tub. There it is, the letter G. It matches. Uppercase G and lowercase g. Now, let's do underneath the lid sticker. There it is, uppercase and lowercase g. Time to find the stuff. Here we go. First, we need an uppercase G. Why, there it is. Next, we need the lowercase g. Wow, just look at it. Now, let's find a gorilla. There's the gorilla. Next, let's find some gum. Some people like to chew on gum. Next, let's find a creature called a goat. There he is, a goat. Next, we need a gift. Wow, I wonder what's in that gift. Next, we need a musical instrument called a guitar. That's a little guitar. And finally, people like to play games. Here's a tiny little game. Wow. Let's review and put things in the bucket. First, we need an uppercase G. Next, a lowercase g. Let's find the gorilla. There he is. Let's find that gum. Now we're looking for a goat. How about the gift? The tiny guitar. And finally, let's put the game away. Well, that's all that goes in this bucket. Let's put the lid on. And that's the letter G. Next is the letter H. See you next time.